Do you love adventure at high altitudes? Playing golf under parapets of snowy mountains? And are you a true adventure seeker? Mountain Village Naran Private Limited presents the Naran Club. For the first time in the history of Pakistan, amidst the enchanting valley under parapets of high peaks, one-of-a-kind adventure club where leisure, entertainment and adventure are blended together. Designed beyond your imagination. Accentuating the beauty of the surroundings. Sleek and contemporary. Surrounded by gigantic pine trees for you to relish each moment. Tantalize your taste buds. Get rejuvenated in the sauna. Remain fit in the state-of-the-art gym or celebrate your events here. An innovation right where you always wanted. Right beside the first gated community project, the Mountain Village. If your age is above 25, possess a valid CNIC or passport, then you are eligible for Naran Club membership. You can collect Naran Club membership from our head office in F11 Islamabad, or you can download it from Naran Club website. Limited memberships are available for you and your family with easy payment plans. Naran Club membership starts from 1 million rupees. Just 2 kilometers away from Naran Bazaar.